My name's Helen Cox. I'm a professor in the geography department, and I'm also the director of the Institute for Sustainability on campus. And I'm working with Dr. David Klein, a professor in mathematics, and Dr. Christina Cadavi, who's a professor in physics, on the climate science program. The climate science program was created here at CSUN a couple of years ago to meet specific needs. Firstly, that climate change is probably the biggest threat that humanity has ever faced, and it's important to educate people in that. But specifically for climate scientists, we need to produce the next generation of climate scientists. One important thing about our climate science program here at CSUN is that we were funded through a grant from NASA specifically to educate students about to become climate scientists so that they could go into research programs or they could work at places like NASA labs to help with this threat that our future is going to face. Global climate change is going to affect the whole world. It'll affect us here, it'll affect us in countries all over the world. People need to learn about climate science so that they're in a position to be able to understand changes that happen in the future and to be able to measure those changes. I would hope that we can educate as many people as possible on what climate change is and why it's happening and what we can do to mitigate that. I think that's very important that everybody has that knowledge.